So I love it. I love anything that has to do with cooking and food, and right on, we're gonna get it going. I've always had ideas of getting in the restaurant business, so I figured start with a food truck since they're so popular at this time. I got a good recipe as far as family background. My grandma was a great cook. I always used to watch what she did in the kitchen and stuff, and it always caught my attention. It's just a lot of people nowadays, they don't like to really sit in a restaurant, you know. The weather's beautiful down south in Florida, period. So a lot of people like to get something, stop and go and get running. So this is going to be the perfect spot for you to get sandwiches, hot dogs, special burger. I got a special blue burger that's going to come out. That's delicious. The maple burger also with and the tacos are going to be phenomenal. I'm going to be around the Westchester area, Coral Way area, Miami, South area, Doral. I'm going to do probably some, be in carnivals all around the city, but probably it's going to be a set location. It's going to be off of Coral Way and 24th Avenue. Actually, I used to love Green Bay.
Oh, really?
When Brett Favre was on. Brett Favre was my man, so I love Green Bay.
Sweet.
I actually like him more than the Bears, even though I'm from Chicago.
Boom.
Thank you. Go
Thank
Cubs.
You. Yeah.
Go Cubbies.
And Packers.
And Packers.
Yeah, right, man.
All right, buddy.